Hi, Rochelle here, herbalist, founder of Supernatural, and herbal educator in general. I am so pleased to be partnering up with Standard Dose to bring you a recipe and some information about herbs for heartwarming, herbs for heart opening, intimacy, connection, otherwise known as aphrodisiacs. So today I'm going to talk you through some of the ingredients in this recipe and then show you how to make it. So ingredient number one will surprise no one. This is cacao, and this is actually a beautiful heirloom cacao. You can use any cacao that you have. Cacao is greater than cocoa, though, know that. Cacao is a classic aphrodisiac. This plant has been used around the world for thousands of years for connection, for affection, for indulgence, and it really is in this pure form, a superfood and something you can have every day and your health will be all the better for it. Or something that we can, sweeten and add milks to and turn into kind of confections, and then it becomes, more of a treat or an indulgence. So this is just cacao powder, 100%. And the greatest thing about cacao in a recipe like this is that it contains an enzyme that helps prevent the breakdown of anandamide, which is otherwise known as our bliss molecule. So we'll be using this. We will also be using some functional mushrooms, medicinal mushrooms. This blend is great. It actually contains some black pepper, which helps with bioavailability, so the absorption of the functional mushrooms. We also have a little bit of cacao and ginger in here. Ginger is a great warming spice. So remember that, culinary spices are also functional and medicinal, and anything that is warming is also considered great for heart opening, connection, and intimacy. Functional mushrooms, they're great for just about everything. I recommend them to a lot of people. But specifically in this case, they're going to help with circulation in the body and also oxygenation of the blood that is being circulated. So there's a sort of dual action there that we love. And that, that's going to improve brain function, circulation to extremities, and also everything in between. So lastly, as a main ingredient in our recipe, we are going to be using Standard Dose CBD tincture. This one happens to be beautifully pink. And it's important to know that an aphrodisiac is anything that you associate with connection, intimacy, openness. And so something like this, from a functional standpoint, is helping us to relax, which is important and helpful. But also, maybe I just see the pink and that does it for me. Maybe the idea of something does it for me. Maybe the idea of something softens me, or the taste, or the scent, or the sight. So all of those are functional ingredients that go into, an intimate experience. So remember all of the senses and your personal experience are important when concocting your recipe for intimacy. So with these three as our bases, we will now make our cacao latte. And here we have the most delicious cacao latte, full of beautiful functional herbs, simple but very easy to make more complicated if you like. And remember to keep an open mind about what the ingredients could be. Some other kind of classic aphrodisiacs that you may have at home are vanilla, cinnamon, cardamom, rose petals, hibiscus, hawthorn, cayenne. So enjoy, be well, be connected, and I hope to see you again.